commands you to kneel. What do you stand for?
Daniel, what is it?
Last night,
Another dream?
one that made me unsure of God's plan.
Babylon is at the gates!
I, King Nebuchadnezzar, have been called to conquer these people here of Judah and deliver them to the promised land of Babylon. You are my people now.
Is this it?
This is only the beginning.
Teach them how to pray, and do not be afraid.
Jeremiah, the word of God will watch over our people.
Where is this invisible God of yours?
For God's ways are not all known to man.
Bring me all the wise men in Babylon. If the Magi cannot remind me of my dream, they will burn in the furnace.
No one on earth can explain to the king the mystery of his dream. But there is a God in heaven who reveals mysteries.
I want to build a Neo-Babylonian empire.
If anyone should resist, they should be put to death.
Shadrach, Meshach, Abednego. We need to pray like our lives depend on it.
As men made in your image, we look to you. We look to you, Lord.
My people bow down. Why not you?
We do not worship false idols.
This is a day that will be written in stone. I will stand for my faith and my God. Will you?